Did I cut through the cutting board? My name is Lauren Savoy, and I am a senior editor of Tastings and Testings here at America's Test Kitchen. So we do all of our equipment reviews and taste tests for the magazines and online, and we also help with the filming of our TV shows, America's Test Kitchen and Cook's Country. Most days we're actually testing equipment or doing taste tests. Today we are working on B-roll for the filming of our television show, which we shot a few months ago, and now we're just gathering footage of, we're basically recreating tests that we've already done. Buttery, except I didn't do a very clean slice. The big question is, do you need an electric knife, or is it sort of this retro tool that you find in your grandmother's basement somewhere? And Emily, one of our other editors, did this testing and found out that actually electric knives are really cool and really useful. And so what we're doing today is cutting up tons of chickens, tons of turkeys, and just a ton of bread, which electric knives are surprisingly useful for. Most days I pinch myself that this is what I get to do every day. I didn't go to culinary school. My background is in journalism, which is actually probably a bit of an asset for the job I have, because we really stand for the home cook. So we approach equipment and ingredients the way that a home cook might. Someone who has a culinary school background probably would approach it a little bit differently. When I first started here, I was actually, it was really intimidating to be around all these people who have great culinary education, like all of our test cooks do. My very first testing was a testing of dish soap, and it was in our old kitchen, and I actually flooded the kitchen on my very first day testing that. So it's only gone uphill from there, but it is really, truly a dream to work here. The Black & Decker is the winner, right, Emily?